actually the name of the files you have. As you know, Google, the search engine, they will, when they want to find you, when they put Alex Cho and then you show up in the results, Google needs to find some kind of clues. And sadly, the picture doesn't have any information. So far, Google cannot really translate, like, let's just say, machine learning to identify pictures, who was it or whoever. So if you name your files, like, I don't know, let's just say the last piece you had, the Berserker. If you put like the file name is Berserker fan art Alex Cho, that will show. I mean, no one sees it, of course, but that will show in the internet. And as you put more files there and you change the name of them, you will dominate the market if you rename your files in a way that Google can find them and can read them. Actually, everything matters in the internet. And I think that's a killer tip that not many people are using it, and not many people are aware. I hope you don't need to update all of these words because it's too much.
That's an actually great tip. I actually didn't know that. Like for me, I'm just a lazy bum. Like if I don't have to change the name of something, make it fancy, then I'm not going to do it. But what you said just makes sense, and going forward, I think I might try to do that and see if there's any differences when it comes to that.
That's a lot of work, actually.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
Yeah, you have a lot of work. If you had like 5 or 6, it's like, I think it's okay.
Yeah,
but it is, and it comes also in the videos. I know you have a YouTube channel and you put your videos there. You have like your speed paintings. That also counts. The name of the file, the tags, the description. All of it is related to how people find you. And these are, I think, are easy things to learn, but are things that we don't really consider it when you are doing something. And I think if you apply these tips, if you rename the videos, if you rename the files, you will exponentially increase. Especially if you rename the files in a way that people can find you easier. For example, instead of putting, let's just say I'm just watching your ArtStation now, like you have Faora Original, right? That's one of the name of the artwork. Let's just say you rename your file. The title is the same. Let's just say Faora Original. Let's just say you rename the file Best Tutorials for Beginners for Painters, Alex Cho.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see where I'm going.
So. Yeah, it is the idea of clickbaiting, right?
It is clickbaiting. In a way, you're helping people to find you, and depending on your audience, it's like what kind of tutorials they want to find. If they put that in Google, like tutorial for painters, beginners, anime style, whatever. If you put that in your file, they will find you. They will find you. And the reason you want that is because you have in your ArtStation this huge following, actually, but you're dependent on the algorithm of the ArtStation website to show off frequently or not frequently. Basically, you lose control of how often your artwork will show to the people. When you apply these things, you will see that people will find you outside ArtStation just by Googling you. And I think that will be a game changer.
Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. It actually makes a lot of sense. It is extra work to think of those clickbaity stuff, but it does seem like it'll pay off for sure. So thank you for that.
It does. No, you're welcome. I think a lot of people don't know about that. They are missing a lot of opportunities there.